let's put some avocado oil in it. Rough about 2 tablespoons of avocado oil inside of it. Good vibes. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is get a piece of ginger. Alright. Ginger. That's the first thing we're going to do. And then the second thing is your favorite, guys, carrot. You're gonna need some carrot inside of it because this has to be done properly, you know. This is not like alright, carrot. So we got the ginger. Alright. Pimento seed. And you know we have to put our favorite in it, some cloves. Alright. Cloves is a must. Pimento seed and cloves. Alright. Then we're going to put a few seeds in it. We're gonna put some cumin seeds inside of it. Alright, that's gonna bring in a lovely flavor into it. Alright, most Jamaican don't cook with these, but Chef Ricardo normally do, especially when you're cooking certain kind of food and you want to put in a little bit of flavor to it. Alright, we're gonna put some fennel seeds also inside of it. Those gonna bring in a nice, lovely, fantastic flavor to it. Alright, also we're gonna put a little bit of Cajun season inside of it. Alright, a little bit of paprika. So sit back and just enjoy this one. It's gonna be a stir fry vegetable. And we have the secret recipe for Christmas. We got some we call this one. This is coriander seed, guys. Very nice. Put a few coriander seeds inside of it. And that's going to be lovely and nice. Now let's get some carrot inside of it. Alright? Because the carrot is important. Kale is very good, guys. You can make juice from it. You can steam it, and also you can stir fry it. So I'm doing a stir fry one today. That's it, guys. You can also do the same thing. Alright. Yeah, man. Back to school, and we are supporting back to school parents for eating healthy, and you know what I mean, and don't get weak. You know what I mean? Carrot, guys. The carrot is important. Yeah, man. We're going to put some onion inside of it. And that's going to bring in a nice, lovely flavor to it also. That's the onion inside of it, alright? Onion is good, guys. You can use the purple one. You can use also the white one. Yeah. right, now let's get our magic recipe now. Peppers. Because you have to have peppers inside of it. Yeah, you have to. I mean, pepper is a must. You have to have some peppers in it. Alright, that looking good. So far, that looking amazing. Yeah, that looking excellent, Chef Ricardo. And we're going to put your favorite inside of it now. We got scotch bonnet pepper inside of, we want to use also inside of it to bring in a nice flavor. Spring onion, you know what I mean? That is a must. Look at that. That is what I'm talking about. And not only that, we got this, the beetroot juice with the pineapple. I got your favorite, guys. All right, here it is. The best Jamaican green seasoning in the world. If you want to make this for Christmas, you're going to have to watch this on my YouTube channel. Yeah. Alright. Look at this. This is the Jamaican green season made from Chef Ricardo. If you want to see how I make it, you're going to have to watch this on my YouTube channel. Alright. We're going to put a nice good, you know what I mean, teaspoon in it. Yeah, if you want to see how I make it, you have to go over and watch it. Alright? Look at that. The season got everything in it. Alright? Everything what you can ever think of. Yeah, man. So this is kale. Alright? Kale is a, you know what I mean, veg a lot of people like to use at home. So let's get 2 cloves of garlic. You know what I mean? Garlic. Garlic. Yeah. So that looking good, guys. So we're gonna wash out the scales now. We're gonna see the water really. water is not 100%, guys. Honestly. The water is really... So you have to wash it very good. A whole heap of things are going on and everything together. Look at that. This looks delicious. All right, look at that. That looking amazing, guys. All right, that looking good, isn't it? Let's take time and fold it in. As I say, you don't have to steam it. You can also, you don't have to stir fry it up like this. You can steam it. Anything makes you happy at home. Just do it, man. Let's go for it. All right, go for it and do it. Don't be shy. Fold it in and makes it happen. All right. Now, I could be making some fried chicken right now and some rice and peas and what possible could have going on in the kitchen, but sometimes you have to step away from that and do something different. And this is not only that, this is more than healthy. Fold it in and make it works. You see that, guys? Look at that. That is amazing. Yeah, man. You know what is this? This is some Scotch bonnet pepper that I put inside of it, bringing a nice flavor. That looking good, guys. Can smell that Scotch bonnet pepper. That looks amazing. Yes, some black pepper. Yeah, that looking good. Oh man, you don't late. You can always re-watch it. Anyone is saying they're late, no, you don't late. You can re-watch it, guys. All right, trust me. you can re-watch it and re-watch it and re-watch it, you know what I mean, and be happy. So this looking nice, isn't it? All right, let's see what's going on right here. Really pepper. Yeah, man, that's a lot of pepper, guys. Bit a little bit of salt, you know what I mean? If you have high blood pressure, don't do this. All right, that doesn't good for high blood pressure, guys. That is amazing. Look at that. All right, this is what you need. Wow, that is amazing. Wow, that is fantastic. Now we can turn off this because we don't want to overcook it too much. Yeah, let's turn it off. Want to leave a little bit of chunk in it. Yeah, man. And you can taste that ginger. The ginger makes the difference, honestly. Yeah, it's a ginger. All right. Yeah, man, the ginger makes the difference. The ginger is amazing. That tastes delicious. All right. Yeah, trust me. It tastes really delicious. Yeah, and this you can have it with anything you want to have it with. All right. Yeah, you can have it with anything you want to have it with. All right. So look at that. So all coming up to all Christmas, you can put this on the table. You know what I mean? A little side dish. You know what I mean? Because that's come out really handy for the Christmas season. All who don't like meat, then this is for you. All right, look at that. That looks so delicious. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, so you can see for yourself. You got a lot of people don't like meat, you know. You know what I mean? And this is the reason why I give them something like this. Yeah. So a lot of people, they don't like the meat. So children don't like the meat, we give them something like this. Beautiful, simple, and also delicious. All right. So